Hello everybody, this is Paul. I just wanted to show this new addition to my tools that I make. If you've watched any of my other videos, you've seen this the corner tool that I made so that you could fix the corners of your phones. Uh, if you drop the phone or something dents a corner, breaks a glass. Um, this allows you to be able to straighten that corner out. There's some other tools out there, that people buy, but they are a bit expensive, and you have to buy different parts for them for each different phone. This will work for pretty much anything. You can use this on an iPhone, iPad, iPhone 5, 6, 7, iPad mini, regular iPads, the iPad Airs. So you can use this for pretty much everything. Um, if you watch the other videos, you'll see how this thing gets mounted. You basically mount it to your workstation, or a lot of people say they've just braced it up against a vertical surface to hold it in place while they're um, using the punch tool to tap out the dent in the corner. They'll just find a vertical surface and tap it this way, or some people have told me what they've done is just basically they'll just clamp it to the edge of their workbench. Which is, it's fine if that's, however somebody wants to do it. But I have had several people, and, this tool is cheap enough that the people that, fix them at home, they're not, they don't do this for a living or anything. So they're not fixing them all the time. So they don't have a workbench where they want to, drill a hole and put an insert in it. So, um, but I've had really good feedback on especially on eBay about my tool. I've had a lot of good comments back, and everybody has said that they've liked it. But I did have a few people say that they thought it would be nice if you could buy the tool and you had some way to mount it that was stable without trying to brace it up against something or clamping it down. So I thought about it for a while, and what I did was I came up with this piece right here. So basically, it's just a piece of melamine with that I finished the edges on it, and I put some non-skid bumpers, non-skid pads in the bottom, and then I just put an insert into the melamine from the bottom side. So basically, it's the same tool, same principle. You put your tool here, except you don't have to drill a hole in something or clamp it to the edge of your workbench. And I've been using this for a while myself, and it works great. It doesn't move around. It might move depending on what type of material you set it on, but other than that, it works great. So it's pretty stable if you got a phone, you're putting the phone in, trying to straighten the corner. You can see it if I'm tapping on it. I tap on it pretty hard, and it might move a little bit, but not enough to keep you from doing what you're trying to accomplish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put some of these. I'm going to make a couple of these, and I'm going to put them on eBay and Amazon, and see if people want to buy them. I don't know if I don't know if it's going to be worthwhile to spend the time making them or not. So I'm just going to make a few for now. Normally I usually try to have a lot of the tools on hand. So if somebody orders one, I can ship it out right away. I usually ship it out the same day unless I get the order late in the afternoon. If not, it's first thing in the next morning. If I sell these, I'm going to see how it goes, and it's going to make a couple. If it does sell, what I'll do is I'll manufacture a whole bunch of these. That way I'll have these on hand also. Um, but for now, in the meantime, until I don't want to spend the money and make a bunch of them and then they just sit around. So I'm going to give it a shot and see how they go. But like I said, those are the main comments that I've had from people, is that they wish that this tool was mounted on some kind of a platform that they could just put somewhere and didn't move around and stuff. So we'll give it a try and see how it goes. If you have any questions, you can contact me on uh, eBay, Amazon, or on the Facebook page. So thanks for watching. Bye.